earth, razored broken edges, lived in color, natural organic finishing, natural and confident. To begin the new earth edge, we'll start with the partings. First, we'll work from the high point of the head into the side ridges right in that corner to create our curtain fringe. Our second section will be from the high point of the head, just behind the ear, and we'll mirror this on the opposite side. In the back will be our final section, and we'll start with a horizontal parting across the bottom of the ear, working with our swivel shear from center to left and then center to right. Now that we've created our perimeter edge, we're going to start working across the blue zone in horizontal sections. We'll take first from the middle of the ear to the middle of the ear. We'll then be working with our surface razor. With the silicone guard, it protects the hair and conditions it as we cut. We'll be holding the hair at a low elevation and then shattering on top of the hair as we cut to create those broken edges. Remembering to over-direct in each of the corners in the red zone. From here, we'll move up the head an inch at a time, working from the top of the ear to the top of the ear, following the same pattern that we used in the previous section. Elevating about 45 degrees, working on top of the hair using a flat side of our surface razor. We'll then move up into the top portion of the blue zone, continuing to work horizontally, working and using that same technique. Once we have finished completing the blue zone, we will move into our fringe. We'll separate from that high point to the ridge lines. We're going to go ahead and take and separate it horizontally, working for the front section first. We'll make sure to take the center section no wider than the blade of my razor. We'll be taking it about to nose length, shattering from the top of the section. We'll then take the side sections, working to the center and shattering on top, and then the opposite side will fold over and shatter from the top. Once we've completed the curtain fringe, we'll use our RZ blender to be able to soften the line. Once we've completed our curtain fringe, we'll move into our side sections. We first take a horizontal parting about an inch above the ear. When we drop that section down, I'll have my guest turn her head to the side and we'll be cutting from the back to be able to create our perimeter line with our swivel shear. Working with our razor, we'll draw that front panel over to the other opposite jawbone, and we'll be working from the top side of the section, shattering down into our perimeter length. We'll then take the second vertical parting and we'll use that first as our guide, and we'll do that same technique all the way through. We then will mirror that on the opposite side.